this is Coach Mark, and welcome to BCLC Online Guitar Lesson for Beginners. For today, we're going to discuss about the notes and the sound chords again. Our last topic was about the notes. So that was the whole note and the half note, and we'll apply it today. We'll apply it today again. So we'll add some chords, which is the C, and go to the G, and go to the F. So that's one. So the C, the G, and the F. Okay, so if you remember the C, this is the C. So your third finger here, and the 5th string 3rd fret, your second finger here, the 4th string 2nd fret, and then your first finger here, 2nd string 1st fret. So remember, only 5 string, so do not include this 6th string. Okay, 5 string only. And then if you remember the G, this is the G. So first finger here in the 5th fret, 5th string 2nd fret, your second finger here, 6th string 3rd fret, and then your third finger here in the 1st string 3rd fret. So you strum all strings. So this is the G, and the last one is the F. So this is the simple F. So put your first finger here. It's like the same with the C, but you need to down only the third finger. So this one, your first finger in the 2nd string 1st fret, your second finger in the 3rd string 2nd fret, and then your third finger in the 4th string 3rd fret. So this is the F. Remember, only 4 strings you need to strum. So that one. That one. Do not hit the 2 strings here, the 6th and the 5th, when you do this F chord. This one. Okay, let's start with the C, and then let's apply the whole note and the half note. So let's do it in the slowly version. So C. So this is the whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's better if you count 2, 3, 4. And next one is the G. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is for beginner. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And then the last one is the F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And next one, let's apply the half note. Start with the C. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the whole note. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, whole note. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And half note. And the F. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So hope you learned this video, and that's very simple, and apply it at home, and you can practice every day. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video, and goodbye.